All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are actually going to be polishing the exhaust on the 370Z. Now I know my name is still OMG Teggy on here, so I was going to ask you guys' opinion on whether you think I should keep the name or change it to something with the Z in it. Now I kind of do want to just keep it just because it's kind of been my name for like everything, even when I don't make Teggy videos. So I might just keep it because you never know. Like, what if I sold the 370Z and then I had to change the channel name again? So I might just keep it OMG Teggy. I haven't put too much thought into it. I was gonna ask you guys' opinion on what I should do. So leave suggestions down in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I change it? Should I keep it? Or what I should do? But back to what we are doing on the Z today. We're gonna be polishing the exhaust. Now it's super dirty. I haven't polished it since I bought the car, and it definitely needs some polishing for sure. So here's the supplies we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using the fine grade steel wool and the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Now I've seen a couple people do the same exact method on YouTube. I think it's the cheapest way to do it, and if it works, then I'll just continue to use it in the future. So it's kind of an experiment. It's not that much money. This was $5, this was $7, so we're out about 12 bucks, but it's better than buying a whole polishing thing and all this other stuff. So we're gonna try this out, see if it works. I mean, the exhaust tips aren't that dirty, and I have another exhaust thing that I have in the works right now. We'll see if it goes through, so I'm sure you guys will see that on the channel here in a couple weeks. But this is the method we're going to be using today. Like I said, a couple people have used it on YouTube before, and it seems to work pretty well, so we're going to try it out today. So let's get this all unpackaged and let's get going. So we're going to try out that method here in a sec. Now I also did end up selling my camera, and I'm actually using my iPhone right now, so we'll see how the quality changes, if it's better, if it's worse. I just ended up selling the camera just because the value of it was kind of going down, and I kind of wanted to sell it, and I think this camera does the job pretty well, so we'll see. Might invest in another camera, but I think this does the trick pretty well, and it should be pretty easy to edit. So enough talking, let's get out to the Z and let's get to work, guys. As you can see, they are pretty dirty, so we're mainly going to be focusing on the inside right here. I mean, it's okay on the outside, it just needs to be polished a bit. But yeah, so first of all, we're just going to go over it with the steel wool on the inside, see what we could do, and then we're going to use the polish and then wipe it all down with microfiber cloth. All right, guys, so this is about after maybe 10-15 minutes of scrubbing with the steel wool. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not too bad. I can't get up under here too well, but compared to this one right here, huge improvement. So I think we might work the steel wool a tad bit more on some of these little areas in here, and then we're gonna put the polish on and then do it again. All right, so now we're gonna put this mag and aluminum polish on. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. I mean, my fingers are kind of dirty. Rub it in here. And it's starting to rain, sadly. And let's go to work. Let's see how this works. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. Pretty dang crazy. Look, now you can even see myself. So So super shiny, super reflective. So that's what the finished product is, and that's what it looked like. So we're gonna do this one next, do a little time lapse and get it looking like that. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. Got this one right here, super shiny. Can you see me wave? Kind of. And then we got this one over here. Now this one has a little bit of a scrape on the bottom here. I don't know what you could really do about that, but whatever. So yeah, polished up pretty dang nicely. It's nice and smooth. Definitely gives it a nice cleaner look now. So yeah, there it is, guys. There is the cheap way to polish your exhaust. So what I did, just to recap, I got super fine steel wool, went all over the exhaust, got all the black stuff off basically. Then I went back, put the polish on the exhaust with my finger, then I've rubbed it down again with the microfiber, and then I hand polished it with a microfiber cloth. So yeah, guys, overall it turned out pretty dang well. So there is the final product once again. Came out super clean, cleans up the back a lot. Now honestly, another mod I was thinking about doing for a long time is getting some probably 20mm spacers for the rear and front wheels, because as you can see, they kind of dip in a little bit too much. And the nice thing is about Z's is these fenders are already like pre-rolled, so you don't have to do anything. It's already paper thin right there. So I think 20mm would make it stick out just enough so it looks a little bit more flush. It's not too expensive a mod either, but I definitely need to clean all this. I'm just waiting for the rain to leave. So once it stops raining, I'll clean up these rims, get this thing nice and shiny again. So yeah, guys, that is basically it for this video today. Like I said, I'll be doing more mods to the Z in the future. I'm not sure the whole upload schedule. I know it's kind of random right now. I'll try to get back on some sort of schedule at least. But yeah, so definitely doing some more mods to the Z. Let me know what you guys think about changing the channel name, or if I should just keep it and just roll with it forever. But we'll see. I might have to change it, I might not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now you guys can also use the same method on your cars if you guys want. Super cheap, probably around 10 to 15 bucks. I got the steel wool at Home Depot, and I got the polish at AutoZone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.